Videocast.
You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers market news and share trading signals from experts. I'm Yu Chong. First, the US dollar. The dollar traded mixed, rising after the ECB released a bleak assessment of the Eurozone economic outlook, but falling after better than expected retail sales data and continued expectations of more stimulus boosted risk appetite. The greenback ended the day 1.3374 to the euro and 85.36 to the yen. Today's data includes Michigan confidence, which is expected to remain unchanged at 84.5, industrial production in May forecast to rise 0.2%, producer prices expected to show a 1.4% rise year-on-year in May, and the current account balance. Next to the euro. The euro traded mixed on Thursday, initially falling after sentiment soured following the release of the downbeat economic report from the ECB, but then recovering as risk appetite rebounded on expectations the Fed would continue with its aggressive stimulus policies. The single currency ended the day 1.3374 to the dollar and 127.51 to the yen. Today's data includes Eurozone CPI, which is expected to rise to 1.4% in May, and Eurozone employment. British pound. The pound rose on Thursday, propelled higher as a result of the recent run of positive data, notably strong employment figures on Wednesday, and a rebound in risk appetite after positive retail sales in the US. Sterling ended the day 1.5718 to the dollar and 0.8505 to the euro. Today's data includes annualized construction output in April, which is expected to fall -4.1%. Japanese yen. The yen rose on Thursday after the recent positive assessment of the economy by the Bank of Japan lessened expectations that would release more stimulus. The yen ended the day 95.36 to the dollar and 149.87 to the pound. Today's data includes the Bank of Japan May meeting minutes. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you, in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts of the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions at 1.331 with 1.339 and 1.343 as next targets. The downside breakup of 1.33, which will open the way to 1.3275 and 1.3225. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open long position at 1.565 with 1.574 and 1.582 as next targets. The downside breakout of 1.563, which will open the way to 1.56 and 1.5565. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open long position above 93.75 with 96.15 and 97 as next targets. The downside penetration of 93.75, which will call for 92.55 and 92. Good luck and happy trading! Tune in on Monday for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Yu Chong and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a great weekend.